Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Telegram. Sorry, this user does not seem to exit. If Telegram show sorry, this user does not seem to exit, it usually means one of this situation. Number 1, username is incorrect. Check for spelling mistake. Number 2, the user changed their username. Number 3, the account was deleted or removed. Or number 4, the account was banned by Telegram. Number 5, long press or long tap in Telegram application. Go to apps info or I button, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Number 6, open Play Store, go to search, click on search icon, search Telegram app, update your Telegram application latest version. You can follow all of the steps to fix Telegram sorry, this user does not scheme to exit problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.